is Liz, and we're going to be looking at a nursing note and how to document test results into your nursing note. We're logged into the chart face here for Snow White. Let's go down to the nursing note. And by default, it shows this title here, Interval History. But if I want to use this note just to document labs, for example, I've made a custom button and I can replace that heading, Test Results. And I'm going to come down here, and to enter test results, we click this button right here. Once again, the workflow is a top to bottom, left to right workflow. When you click the button New, it automatically puts in today's date. But if the labs were drawn, maybe last Friday on the 18th, or it's probably not drawn on the 25th, let's say on the 24th, you can backdate this date performed to whenever the date of service was completed. And we have different types of lab results and test results that you can put in here. Let's take a look under chemistry and find something. Maybe you've done a lithium level for your patient, you have a result back and you'd like to document that. We're going to scroll down here. These are alphabetized. I'm going to go down to lithium level and just pull a number here and say it was 0.6. Here's your results. You do not need to worry about this area down here, and I'm going to save this. And the test results save right here. If I want to put in another lab, I can click New, and I'm going to say this morning she had some hematology, some labs drawn here. Maybe her platelet count is low, so I'm going to come down here and click on platelet count and say she's running right at 120,000, or maybe her actual result was 125,000. I can just edit this very quickly, click Save. And now we have two test results in here. You can go down and put down imaging studies, bacteriology studies. Let's do an imaging study here that was also done today. Maybe she had chest x-ray, PA, and lateral, and it was normal. Normal findings, all normal. And if there were abnormal findings, we could come down here and talk about that. I'm going to go ahead and click Save, go back to our work area. And here are our lab results. You can see here some of these words the program doesn't recognize, like adenotherapy. I'm just going to teach the program by right-clicking on it. Click Learn, vascularity. These are all spelled correctly. I'm just teaching the program that these words are spelled correctly. I'll never have to correct them again. Hyler. There we go. Okay, so the next time you were to pick no abnormalities in the chest x-ray, PA, and lateral, none of those words would have come up as misspelled. This is all I'm going to put in this note. I'm going to close the gap here a little bit and come down here and compile this note. Now, if I want to be very particular, I could change the title to Nursing Note Lab Results or just plain Lab Results. I can do that by coming over here to change note title. And I don't have a custom button for Lab Results here, so I'm just going to make up something here. I'm going to click under Other, and it pulls up Nursing Note, and I'm going to put down and select OK. And then I can put down my title, my name and my title underneath it. Click Continue. Lab results documented by Liz LPN. And now the only thing I need to do is to electronically sign this note. You can see that your test results are showing right here, your lithium level with the test date, your platelet count, and then I'll just put a space here just to show you your chest x-ray with no abnormalities. Let's go back to the chart face and see how that looks. Test results documented from 12/28/2015, and they were documented by Liz Lobeo, RN. Do you see this little red X here? The program is not happy because I changed, let's go back into the compiled note. I went in here and put a space in between here after I had electronically signed it. The program has recognized that and it's saying, hey, you've modified this note. Why don't you go ahead and make sure it's correct as it stands right now and re-sign it. So I'm going to do that. The green check mark means that it is now e-signed. This is now a legal document. And when we go back to our chart face, you can see that it's electronically signed, the exact same note. Once again, because this is a short note, you could read this here. Let me also show you from here, from the chart face, you can go into the patient's log area. And by default, it opens up into the medication log, but we can come down here and look at manual entry of lab results. This is what we're looking for right here. And you can see I've gotten several platelet counts, several lithium levels, and here's my chest x-ray from today.